This is a 2010 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 4.6-liter V8. Features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, automatic locking wheel hubs, 17-inch wheels, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 12,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Harper Motors is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4800 Highway 101 North in Eureka.